Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today is 11 April 2020. This is our classwork. Today is Saturday. Our topic is use of vowel. As you know, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. And letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. Let's find vowels in words. So, our first word is cat. C-A-T, cat. And in this word, letter A, which is underlined with blue color, letter A is vowel. Second word is bed. B-E-D, bed. And in this word, letter E is vowel. K-I-D, kid. I. In this word, I is vowel. And O-W-L, owl. And O. In this word, O is vowel. S-U-N, sun. And where is the vowel? Vowel is between S and N. Mean U. U is vowel here. And the last word is key. K-E-Y, key. And in this letter, E. E is vowel. So dear students, you can see the vowels in all these words mentioned by blue underline. Now your task is, which you have to perform is, make at least 5 words from each vowel. तो आपको करना ये है कि आपने हर वॉवल से 5 वर्ड्स बनाने हैं और अपने रफ बाइंडर पर लिखने हैं और चेक करवाने हैं. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.